back to my garden. It is the end of the spring bulb season, but I still have lots of tulips and daffodils in flower in all sorts of shapes and colors. These are creme upstart tulips, and I love how they fade from pale yellow to a soft pink color. A new daffodil variety for me this year is Del Nashor, a gorgeous creamy white double flower with apricot center. They do need a bit of saking, but I think they're worth the effort. I love how well they combine with the color of this apricot pride tulip. But I have to be honest, out of my 10 tulip bulbs I only had 2 flowers, so I'm not sure if I will grow it again next year. But the color is absolutely amazing. I've tried out lots of tulip varieties this year, but I haven't been very lucky growing them in pots. These coral blush tulips are an exception. They have been flowering for 3 weeks. First I wasn't sure about their color, but now I absolutely love them. My other tulips in pots didn't do so well. I had to throw away almost 50 bulbs. Apricot Pride, Marriage, Beachberry, Copper Image, Exotic Emperor, all because of a disease called tulip fire. The ones that did manage to survive, like some of the Beachberry, only had 2 blooms out of 10 bulbs. The Exotic Emperor bulbs that survived flowered extremely well, but sadly only 5 out of 15 survived. Another tulip that I wanted to try out this year is Copper Image. A gorgeous tulip once it starts to fade, but do keep in mind that it starts as a vivid red color. Also with this tulip I wasn't very fortunate, with only 3 blooms out of 10 bulbs, so for me not a keeper. I don't know why I'm so unlucky growing tulips in pots. I plant them late to avoid tulip fire, but they still get it anyway. I use a multi-purpose potting compost with sand for drainage and place them in a cold frame to keep them dry during the winter. So if you do have any tips, please let me know. These are my zinnia seedlings that I will be dividing and potting up into individual pots. They need to grow a little more before they can go out into the garden. Now that the hellebores are finished flowering, I will clean the soil around them, spray the base with sulfur to prevent disease, and give them a layer of homemade leaf mold. You enjoyed this video. In the next one I will give you a full garden tour. Until then, enjoy your garden. Bye for now.